Hello guys, and welcome back again to another episode of Cooking with Sarah's Kitchen. In today's video I'm going to show you how to prepare garlic and store for easy use anytime you are cooking. This simple method will save your time in the kitchen, guys. So let's get started. So the first thing, we are going to remove the dry outer layer step by step. Here, as you can see. We are done with that, guys. The next thing we are going to do is to cut our clove into 2 pieces so as to remove the jam from the garlic. This way the paste will not be bitter and will last longer. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my garlic and dry them well to avoid the remaining water from diluting our paste. Yeah. And we are going to blend our garlic to get the paste that we want. And this is our paste, guys. So the next thing and the last thing that we are going to add is our lemon. This one will prevent our paste from spoiling. Yeah, that's why we are adding. And thank you so much for watching, guys. That's it for today, and we see you in the next one. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and kindly remember to subscribe, watch and share my videos, guys. And thank you so much for my returning viewers. I honestly don't take it for granted. Those who have subscribed, guys, also thank you so much, and we see you in the next one. That's it. Bye.